Transportation. The substance synthesized or absorbed in one part of the body, such as carbohydrates, oxygen, etc., is moved to the other parts of the body by the process known as transportation. Transportation in human beings. The process of transportation of materials in animals is called as circulation. Blood and lymph help in this process. Blood. What is blood? Blood is the red liquid that circulates through our body. It is the fluid connective tissue in human beings. It carries out the function of transport of various materials in the body. Blood consists of red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout the body, white blood cells, which fight infections, platelets, which are cells that help you stop bleeding if you get a cut. Plasma, a yellowish liquid that carries nutrients, hormones, and proteins throughout the body. Blood is pumped around the body to reach all the tissues, and a system to repair the network is needed from time to time if damaged by the heart. Blood travels around our bodies through tubes called arteries and veins. The arteries carry oxygenated blood away from the heart to different parts of the body. The veins carry deoxygenated blood from different parts of the body to the heart. Heart, the involuntary pump. The heart is not under our control. It does not need to be told to contract. It keeps on beating. The human heart is of the size of a human fist and weighs about 360 grams. It is a muscular organ and is covered by the pericardial membrane. The heart is vertically divided into two chambers, right half and left half. The left half carries oxygenated blood, and the right half carries deoxygenated blood. This division prevents mixing of oxygen-rich blood with the blood containing carbon dioxide. Each half is further divided horizontally into two chambers. The upper half is called atrium and the lower half is termed as the ventricle. Thus, the human heart has four chambers that are right auricle, right ventricle, left auricle, and left ventricle.